Hi everyone, this is Michelle Blackwood, and now I'm going to share with you how I prepare my ackee for consumption. The first thing you're going to make sure is that your pod is open naturally on the tree by the sun, that it's not closed. If it's closed, it's poisonous. Once it's open, it's ready for eating after it's prepared and after it's cooked. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the yellow flesh or the aril or the beige, you can call it beige or cream, from the pod. Then you're going to break off the black seed, discard the seed, discard the pod, and you're going to open up in between the aril or the flesh. You'll see two membranes, pinkish membranes. You're going to remove that. Then you're going to boil your ackee in salted water, and now it's ready to make all those delicious recipes on my website. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.